Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my storage and some other stuff. Oh shit! I can just blur it out. Oh, that's a proper unboxing tool. I keep having to use my keys. No. It's like a proper shank, this is. That opens.
I was just looking at a nice one. No.
Hey?
I was just looking at a nice one.
You know, I want a nice, like, proper unboxing there. How does this open?
Slice up the middle.
Right, I figured that, but I was like, I figured that, but I can't find the actual. Oh. That was close.
You just slice.
It sliced up my storage. Fucking stuff it away. Try to unbox it, stuff it away. Right, so holy crap, that's actually quite small. That's the storage.
1 terabyte.
1 terabyte, yeah. So here we have the W Black SN750 NVMe SSD, the 1 terabyte one. I was gonna go with the 500 gig, but I just decided to get 1 terabyte because why not? That is small. An NVMe SSD is like just the length of your credit card. It's really, really small. It's, no, the NVMe is like the length of a stick of gum. You know, like the ones you get in the packets. It's like that. So we have that. And we also have, fuck, that's huge. How big that is. We also have the Rode windshield, because that pop filter is driving me up the wall. So yeah, quick little unboxing here. Let's say some key things about the storage. So guys, I don't think I got around saying to what the extra specs of the SSD was, so we're going to get into it in this video. The WD Black SN750 NVMe SSD delivers top tier performance for gaming hardware enthusiasts looking to upgrade their gaming or custom PC. Available capacity range from 250 gig to 2 terabytes. The WD Black SN750 NVMe SSD rivals some of the best performance drives on the market to help give gamers the competitive edge. Complementary features improve system responsiveness, such as gaming mode in the WD Black SSD dashboard, and a heatsink model to keep things cool, delivering a constant sustained performance. The WD Black SSD 750 NVMe SSD pushes the boundaries of normal SSD performance. So yeah, the sequential read and write speeds is 3,470 and 3,000 megabytes. That is insane. You can get up to 2 terabytes of storage, which I wanted to get a 2 terabyte model, but it was too expensive. But and if you can get it with a heatsink. Although I got it without a heatsink because it's kind of expensive. I know the heatsink made it expensive. How? So yeah, the highlights. So that massive, 3.4 gig, gigabyte of speeds. The storage, sleek heatsink design. It's also got a 5-year warranty as well. Good for PC gaming, creative professionals, and high performance on laptops. So yeah, that is the SN50 SSD. Wait, that's so weird. Ew, okay, never mind. I read something and I was like so confused. I was like, what the hell? Whatever. But yeah, that is the, and obviously with each storage option, the speeds will differ. So the 250 gig model is 3,100 read and 1,600 write. So yeah, and the 500 gig is 3430, 3430, 2600. Then you have 3450 and 1 terabyte, and the 2 terabyte is actually, oh wait, the 2 terabyte is actually slower. Wow, look at that. Oh, the endurance though is like higher. That's interesting. Yeah, I didn't know that. Pretty cool. So yeah, it's an M.2 SSD for that, for that form factor. And yeah, on with the video. What else I did in this video? I actually don't know, because I shot it like days ago, so I have no clue. Let's actually pop out the drive, because I want to see how small this thing is. This. The Western Digital Black SN750 NVMe SSD. This is not a PCI Gen 3. I find that a bit overkill, plus they're expensive. This is really expensive. Don't get a cool knife, I get screwdrivers to open this up with, because I'm broke. And flatheads actually work as a prying tool, believe it or not. No, do I when I put my PC, I won't be using this. I'll get a proper like tool set going. Now I'm really tempted to put this in now. I know, I'm terrible, aren't I? Why? I want to see how fast it is. And I know how fast it is. It says on the box, but I really want to put it in. Oh my fucking hell, that is tiny. Is that even real? Is it that small? Is it really that small? We're actually going to take it out of this. Because I want to actually... It's actually that small. It's about... It's longer than a 32 gig USB stick, but... Look at this tiny little drive. I'm shaking because I'm hungry. Look at this compared to this. That is fucking small. And for comparison, guys, this is a 1 terabyte, right, SSD. That is as tiny as a stick of gum. This is a 500 gig hard drive. That is gnarly. That is really gnarly. Yeah, I'm shaking, I know. Fucking hell. That I didn't know. Obviously on video it makes stuff not seem small, but that is small. Damn. And it's actually really small. Hope I don't lose that on the side of the sofa. But yeah, that is the W Black high performance gaming NVMe SSD. And yes, I will have some games on this SSD in the new PC. What I plan to right now, I have a SK Hynix, which is not really a good brand for SSDs. It's doable though. 500 and 400 read writes SSD, which is okay. It's fast, but it does lose some performance, and it's only SATA SSD. So this is NVMe, meaning it's really super fast. NVMe stands for non-volatile memory. So yeah. Up to 3.5, nearly 3.5 gigs of speed on this SSD, which is insane. Whew. But yeah, I'll actually do a speed test eventually when I build my new PC, combining everything and testing it against this one here. But yeah, if you did like this video, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. It was a quick, simple unboxing, quick little talk. You can pick this up on Amazon for about £170, $200, I think it is, for the 1 terabyte. They do smaller models. I advise getting either the 500 gig or the 1 terabyte model, because anything lower, there's no point. Like right now, my SSD, I have 50 gigs left. But yeah, I know recently Western Digital has had some fire for their hard drives, but their SSDs are really good. So, for what I've heard, and yeah, that'll be a step up from the SK Hynix. So yeah, either way, guys, I'll catch you next time.